In the 50 years since the Apollo missions, both NASA and aviation programs have been improving leaps and bounds, as well as coming closer and closer together. Students of today's aviation programs could easily become integral parts of Moon and Mars exploration in the future. One key way that this is likely to be seen is through the advances in drone technologies. Many aviation students are trained in drone flight and design, which could easily be utilized in future NASA missions, such as the upcoming Viper and Gateway missions, and as part of the Artemis project. Drones are likely to be able to be utilized in any number of situations, from basic exploration to mechanical work in unsurvivable environments and zero-G. Students in aviation-based CTE programs are often able to work with drones, whether flying them or building them. These students are innovating the future of space and moon exploration.